So in this video, I want to show you what to do in case your Nintendo Switch is not turning on. You press the power button. Usually you see the Nintendo logo after pressing the power button, but in case it's not happening, what should you do? The first thing you need to do is to check over here the USB Type-C port. Over time, there's lint, there is hair, there's many things, dirt, particles that enters, and yeah, this can forbid the switch to charge, and maybe your black screen is caused simply because the battery is dead, and even if you plug a cable to charge it, well, nothing is happening. So I suggest you get one of these brushes. I think it's made to clean between teeth, but yeah, they sell these everywhere. They sell this on Amazon and other places, maybe even. And if you don't want to buy anything, just get a toothpick, something similar to that, very thin, and you're gonna go and make sure there's nothing that is stuck in this USB Type-C port. I suggest you do this while the switch is pointing, the port is pointing down, so whatever you dislodge there falls on the ground. But here I just want to show you what I'm doing. So, just go and make sure there's absolutely nothing blocking the cable to enter in contact. Once you're sure it's clean, get a USB Type-C cable. If you have the original one with the charger, I highly suggest you use that one. But if not, take your phone charger, plug it. All right. Plug the other end in a wall outlet or a charger. And now what we need to do is to go on the top of the switch. You're going to locate the power button, the volume down and up, okay? And we need to press all three of these buttons at the same time for 10 seconds. No matter what happens on the screen, even if it's power on, okay, do not release these buttons. So power, volume down, volume up. Make sure all of them are clicking, and we're gonna wait 10 seconds like this. All right. Okay, after 10 seconds, you can release, and the screen is now completely dark like it was before. That's normal. Make sure to leave the console 10 to 15 minutes to charge it. And after 10 to 15 minutes, take the console, and we're going to press the power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And the Nintendo logo should appear after you press the 3rd time. Let it boot up, and I suggest you keep it charging until the battery is full. So this is it. I hope this fixed your issue. If so, leave a comment. If you have any other tricks that you found out, I want to know as well. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.